Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you know me, you know I'm absolutely obsessed now with Black Raven beads. Well, look what just arrived on my doorstep. This is actually my second package from them, and I have to give a massive shout out to their team because the delivery service was incredibly fast. I feel like I just ordered this and they are already here. A huge thank you to Black Raven Beats for always making the experience so special. Today we are opening up some stunning pieces from their spring collection, and they also sent over a gorgeous new bracelet base. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. This is a thank you note. And in case you don't know, guys, Black Raven beads are handcrafted and made in Bali. First of all, I love their packaging. It comes in this beautiful Celebrate Life box with neat little slots for every single charm to keep them safe. Right on top we have the new bracelet base. This one is a 17 centimeters chain, and I'm gonna open it first. And the link work on it is so intricate and brilliant. Here you can see a hallmark, a tiny black raven, and 925 stands for sterling silver. It has a really nice weight to it, and the clasp mechanism feels incredibly secure. A perfect canvas for the charms we are going to look at. Let's start first with the pops of color. First up, we have two peacock bloom glass beads. Look at the depth in this. The swirl of green and teal with those perfect, vivid peacock eye centers of orange, yellow, and blue. They look like miniature wearable paintings. And you can see a tiny bubbles of air near the core. Oh my goodness. They are absolutely gorgeous. Hallmarks you can find on the sides. And here's the other side. Next, I'm gonna grab another glass bead. And this is gorgeous blue butterfly glass bead. It features a striking black butterfly silhouette floating over a brilliantly bright, beautiful green background. The hallmarks are on the sides. Putting the blue butterfly in the middle of the two peacock blooms creates this instant cohesive garden vibe. Oh my goodness, they look so gorgeous together. Now for the silver pieces. And honestly, Black Raven Beads has some of the best silver craftsmanship in the game. I went heavy on the bird theme. This bead is called Messenger of Spring. Just look at the personality in this little bird. It's holding a tiny sprig of leaves in its beak. The feather detailing on the wings is so crisp. And the hallmark you can find right at the bottom. The details are absolutely incredible. Next is Hummingbird Joy. This one is stunning. It's a hummingbird frozen mid-flight, drinking nectar from a highly detailed flower bloom. It has such beautiful movement. Here is another side. And you know what, guys? I got a pair. It took me a second, but I found the hallmarks right on the side. Here is a tiny black raven and 925. Next, I'm gonna share with you. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these details. It's called Bird's Nest Heart. It's a heart-shaped charm formed entirely out of a woven bird's nest, complete with 3 tiny, smooth silver eggs nestled inside. It's just incredible. And the last bead inside the box is actually not a bead, it's a lock. It's called Tulip Lock. Instead of plain standard clasp, this lock looks like a sculptured, elegant tulip bud wrapped in delicate silver leaves. A decorative lock completely transforms a bracelet because it becomes a part of the design instead of something you want to hide at the bottom of your wrist. And the hallmark you can find on the sides. Here's a tiny black raven and 925 on the other side. So let's put everything together and see how it looks. I used a wooden stick first, just to see how all beads are gonna look together before I slide them on my bracelet. And as you can see, I put my hummingbirds facing in different directions, and the butterfly glass bead is in the center, peacock beads are on the sides, and I think this is the design I'm going for. So let's take the bracelet, and first this gorgeous bird's nest charm. Then I'm gonna put a glass bead, then the hummingbird, another glass bead, another hummingbird, and I have hummingbirds in my garden, by the way, so it was a must for me to have these charms in my collection. And the last one, I'm gonna put this cute little birdie, and then I put the lock like so. Yes! Oh my goodness! I absolutely love how this design looks right now. And the bracelet. Oh my god, the quality of the beads are absolutely amazing. If you guys don't have Black Raven beads in your collection yet, I highly recommend this brand. Such a good quality, very creative designs. And now I'm gonna close the bracelet on my wrist just to show you guys how it looks on my wrist. Wow! Just look at that finish. The bright greens and blues of the butterfly and peacock beads tie the silver bird story together perfectly. It feels heavy, luxurious, and so full of meaning. And the tulip lock is the perfect finishing touch. I think I'm gonna have to get a pair of stoppers to prevent charms moving too much on the bracelet. I actually have a pair of stoppers from Black Raven Beads Maya collection. And if you guys are interested, I have a full unboxing video on my YouTube channel, unboxing the entire Black Raven Beads Maya collection. And if you missed that one and you want to see all those beautiful, intricate pieces in detail, I will leave a link to my YouTube video down in the description box below. Let me know in the comments down below which of these charms was your absolute favorite. Are you team glass or team silver? And if you guys would like to see how I style my new beads, you can find me on social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All links to my social media are in the description down below. Thanks for watching. If you liked my videos, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.